Good day traders, Gakuna Trading. Now today's topic will be about the first red day that failed. Now if you guys can remember, my most recent video talked about trend lines, wedges, wedge tops, bottoms, and micro trend lines, micro trends. Okay, it's very important to identify these channels as the market trades. So what I learned from Brooks, every market has a trend. Okay, every market has a trend. Okay, a short-term trend, and this areas we can draw trend lines. Okay, now from last week, if you guys noticed, we had the same issue here. You see right here. So I told traders that we have a trend line within a trend line. Can you see that? I see this trend line here. Sorry, within here, it evolved to an FRD but failed. We move in the direction of the trend. Okay, it happened here again. Traders expected FRD, did not work out. Yeah, it worked out. Okay, we had a good sell-off down, but you can see here, you see it happened here again. We had a trend line and a larger trend line, so the market did not give us the FRD. So you can look at this chart, you see the importance of trend lines. Okay, now what can also affect our first red day is major red news. When we have major red news on the calendar, major red news, okay, major red news can change the directions of our market. Okay, if you today's FGD and FRD did not play out, but then according to the rules page 21 of the playbook, we emphasized on failed first red day, and it can be applied also to the FGD. Okay, now if the criteria for selling are not met, we will fade and go in line with the trend. Okay, so this becomes a with trend setup. Now you can see that major red news. Okay, another underlying criterias, the trend line respecting the trend going to the upside. Okay, now generally this market is an uptrend. If you look at our daily EMA is going up. This is an uptrend. Okay, so today we also had the same pattern on the NZD USD. I shared this trade with members of the community. Okay, you can see the trend is going up. Can you see that? Let's look at the daily EMA. Okay, the daily EMA is going up, so it's an uptrend on higher time frame. Okay, so what happened here? It happened again. In the playbook, I put examples on gold, oil, and Euro USD. Okay, page 21. And when you read the rules indicated, you would see that when this happens, we fade and we go in line with the trend. Okay, now that was why I bought today. And major red news also, we had USD red news. Let's take a look at that. We had non-farm employment change, ADP non-farm employment. We had card news also. We had USD ISM services PMI. We had BOC press conference on the card. So these are red news events that affected the market. Also, Eurocard, I think, managed to give us sell high setups, 3 session setups. Okay, for the NZD card, they stalled. NZD USD exploded to the upside. Congratulations to those who took that with me. GEP, JPY went short. Congratulations to those who sold with me. Now you can see it closed as an FGD, but did not give us that criteria. Okay, we did not see that. Okay, now you can see this is now considered as a lower high. Okay, so the market did not meet our criteria. Major red news also affected this market. The criteria for buying ended in the London session, and it's currently an ACB. So those who saw, I told them it is a hold till close trade. They are not going to come back. They will not come back. So congratulations to traders who took this breakout failure. This big engulfing candle here showed that this market will not go up. We had a wedge top. Remember the importance of wedges. Draw your wedge tops, draw your micro trend and trend lines. Okay, it helps you, gives you an idea of what the market is trying to do. Okay, yes, day 1, day 2, day 3, we had a 3-day setup that reversed. Good reversal. And now also note that it is very easy to make money when there's no major red news. If you see a 3-day setup, okay, when there's no red news, okay, that is this trade, that is the market that I would like to trade. A first red day that has no red news, first green day that has no red news ahead, those markets will explode massively. So any day you guys see a signal day or a 3-day setup without red news, praise the Lord, that is the type of market that we want to execute. Okay, now also you move direct, we see the GBP/USD did the same thing. I know traders were trying to short that on some broker. It was displayed as a first red day, inside day, but you know, we look at the rules, we are in an uptrend, the market respected that trend. Okay, market respected that trend and never came to the downside. So you see, first red day, the rules were not met, they kept on chopping up, going back in, coming back, going back in, and we had to go long. We fade and we go against the initial plan, which is to sell. So we could not sell, but there was micro scalping, scalpers got the shot, but the initial plan, you see the market respecting the trend, going to the upside. So it's a with trend setup. We will see the reversal tomorrow or on Friday. Also, the GPNZD closed as an FGD yesterday, but we didn't see that. The rules were not met. Remember the rules in the playbook for the FGD, the rules were not met, and we went against that, respecting the bear channel. Now also the USD JPY to close as an FGD. I tried to swing, okay, I tried to swing, but major red news ahead, I had to close that market. Remember, when we have major red news ahead, we close off and look at what the market intends doing. That market failed. We had a wedge pattern, it failed. Okay, we fade and go against the FGD. That became our opening range breakout failure, reversal back inside of the range. You can read those of you with the playbook, open to the page, opening range reversals, read the rules of the opening range. Okay, when the market is in balance, when the market goes out of balance and fails, Jim Dalton, it investigates the opposite extreme of that balance. There are chart examples there like this for you to see. Okay, USD Swiss franc too, the same thing. I tried to swing, but no, it did not work. Major red news showed its hand. We closed up before major red news. When the market shifted and changed direction, I went short. Okay, I went short quite late. I came to the screen quite late, so I went short from here, and I'm out of this market as fast as possible. So remember, the rules guide us. If the criteria are not met properly, we will fade and go against the FRD or FGD in line with our trend. Let's see, the overall trend for the USD Swiss franc is down, so it became a setup that moves in the direction of the trend. Okay, so congratulations guys, new month, new opportunities. There will be more opportunities like this, but the markets go with you guys 1% better every single day. See you on the next one. The link to the playbook is in description. Go to WAP. When you join the WAP, you check announcement. In announcement, you will see the playbook posted there. Get it, download it, read it, make it part of you, but the markets go with you. As for German 30, now this pattern, like I said, 3-day setups are of types. We have a 3-day setup that closes in breakout, 3-day setup that reverses on the day. This is a pattern that has closed in breakout. So tomorrow, watch out for German 30. We may get a reversal of high of month reversal pattern. The markets go with you. Thank you. Put your eyes on this market. We may get a good reversal from here. See you guys on the next one. Do well to like and share this video. The markets go with you.